Hello and welcome back to week 2 of Sight Words. This is day 4. If you have access to a printer and want to print out the worksheet to complete as I go through, feel free. If you're just going to follow along with me, that's awesome as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, let's look at our word. How many letters are in our word? Let's count. 1, 2. Awesome job. Let's read these words or these letters together. D, O. Awesome. Do we have any tall letters? Yes. The D. Do we have any small letters? Great. Yeah, the O. Do we have any basement letters? No, we do not. So friends, for today, our word is do. Like I do my homework. Okay. So let's go ahead and swipe read the word do. If you have your worksheet in front of you, you can put your finger under the D. If you're following along to the video, you can put your finger under your iPad up to the computer screen. And on the count of 3, we're going to swipe read the word do. 1, 2, 3, do. Good. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, do. Awesome job. Let's get those pencils out, or if you're following along, you can do fingers in the air for skywrite, and let's write the word do. D, O. Great work. You can swap out to your crayon for our next section as we clap it. If you're following along with me, just get your clapping hands ready. Alrighty, so here we go. Let's clap the word do to see how many syllables there are. Do. Let's try it again. Do. Good. How many times did we clap when we said the word do? We clapped once, so I'm going to color in the 1 bubble. And then for today, I'm going to color in the word do in blue. If you want to match me, go ahead and get your blue crayon out. So D, and then let's color in our O. D-O spells do. All right, if you're working at home on your worksheet, make sure that you check your handwriting and your coloring. If you're just following along with me, thumbs up if you're ready to move on. Okay, now you can swap out your crayon back to your pencil. If you're doing your worksheet, and if you're just following along, you can put your finger in the air. We're going to skywrite as we trace the word do. So D, O. Awesome job. And let's spell it over here. We have a tall box, so think about what letter goes in this box. And we have a small box, so think about what you want to put here. And let's spell the word do. D, O. Good job. Let's go down to this box here where you find the word do 3 times. If you're working on your worksheet, go ahead, you can begin circling. And if you're working along with me, you can circle the word do 3 times on your iPad screen or on your computer screen. Go ahead, I'll give you some time. All right, I'm going to go ahead and find the word do 3 times on my page and circle them for you. So do, do, and do. Awesome job. The last box over here, go ahead and say the word do to someone, whether it's your brother and sister, mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, a friend. You can say it to me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Put a check mark in the box. If you're working along with me, check mark in the air. Awesome job, guys. Again, our sight word for today is do. This is the last one for the week, so make sure you check in tomorrow. I'll have some review activities for you.